Hi, my name is George, and today I'll be showing you how to download stock items from Store Harmony in Excel format. So, first thing we go to the inventory. So now if you want to download all your items, that's all your inventory, you're going to select the option. First of all, refresh. Once you refresh it, it takes it back to 50 per page, and then select the option all results so that it will reload all the items you have in inventory. So once this is done, you go to the option export. Now, Store Harmony defaultly displays items that have quantity at that moment. So it means that items that do not have quantity, that's their quantity is 0, Store Harmony doesn't display them at all, but they are on the system. If you search for them, you will see them. So if you want to download your stock, there are different options. So there is the export current view to Excel. That's this view you are looking at. That's the one that has the columns name, barcode, quantity, price, bulk price, batch invoice, created date, batch age, and so on and so forth. It brings it out. It brings it out this way. Then there's another option that says, there's the last option that says export all non-empty stock to Excel. So it is also similar to the first option, but it's just for admin alone. Then there's another option that says export all stock including empty ones. So this will now take into consideration items that are of 0 quantity. Then there's a detailed export to MX Excel, adding more. Adding more means that it adds more columns with all of the other parameters that are attached to the item. If you say export MX Excel with the cost, adding cost, it will add the cost price to the items you're exporting. Adding price will add the different sales price, promo price, loyalty price, bulk price to it. So these are all the options available, but the one that is most important and most widely used is current view to Excel. So once you select this, it gives you the option of where do you intend to save it. That select the location to export the Excel file to. So I select the desktop, which is easier, and then I give the file all stock items. Once I do that, I select the option export, and data is exported to Excel and saved successfully. So once I go to my desktop now, I'm going to see the Excel document I just exported from Store Harmony. Thank you.